Now the discussing topic is sum of n terms of an AB. So we have already learned about the nth term of AB. So generally a plus d, a plus 2d, so a plus 3d, so also a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the general form of arithmetic progression. So here sum of n terms. These terms we have to add in. So Sn is equal to a plus d plus a plus 2d plus a plus 3d. So add the terms are in AP terms or in AB terms. So a plus n minus 1 into d. So let Sn denotes the sum of first of n terms of the AP. So here it is considered as equation number 1. So a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d plus a plus n minus 1 into d are the terms of an AP. This is the general form of arithmetic progression. So the sum of terms Sn is equals to a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, and so on a plus n minus 1 into d. It is considered as equation number 2. And then write the sum of terms in reverse order. So take this as a last term a plus n minus 1 into d. So take this term is here first term. So a plus n minus 1 into b. So plus in the before term. This terms before term is a plus n minus 2 into d. And so on. The last term take as a. So here first term is a and take as last term in this equation. So here n minus 1 into the last term of first equation, it can be taken in second equation as first term. So it consider as a second equation. So adding both first equation and second equation. So 1 plus 2. Add first equation and second equation. So s plus sn plus sn 2sn is equal to here a plus a 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So it will be add a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a plus d and a plus n minus 2d. So a plus d, a plus n minus 2 into d. It will be added. So a plus a 2a plus d plus n minus 2 into d. So and so on. Here a plus a 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So observe these terms. Here 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here the general formula of sum of n terms of an AB. So 2Sn is equals to here these terms we can conclude 2a plus n minus 1 into d are the common. So take as this common term 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is equals to 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here 2a plus n minus 1 into d are coming into n times. term, so it will be multiplied by n times. So 2Sn is equals to, so n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is equals to, send 2 into LHS, so it will become n by 2 plus into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into 1 into d. This is the sum of the first n terms of an AB. This is the formula of sum of n terms of an AB. So it can be written as Sn is equal to n by 2. So 2a can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d. So observe, a plus n minus 1 into d is nth term of an AB. So Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus, so it can be written as an, because an is the nth term of a plus n minus 1 into d is the nth term of an AB. So in the place of a plus n minus 1 it can be written an. So a means here the first term and n means nth term or last term. So sum of the nth term is equals to n by 2 a plus. So sometimes the nth term can be considered as L. So in the place of L can write Al. So in sometimes An considered as L. So both are equal. So L means last term. So An means nth term or last term, both are equal. So sometimes An can consider as L. So here conclude that sum of n terms of an AB Sn is equals to n by 2 into a means first term and L means last term or nth term. This is the sum of n terms of an AB. Let us see an example, sum of n terms of an AB. So find the sum of indicated number of terms in the following AB. So here find the sum of number of terms. So given sequence, given arithmetic progression is 16, 11, 6 and so on 23. Here 16 has the first term, a is equals to 16. So the common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1. 11 minus 16. 11 minus 16. So it is considered as a1 is equals to 16, a2 is equal to 11. So d is equal to a2 minus common difference is equal to a2 minus a1. So that is equals to 16, 11 minus 16. So that is equals to minus 5. The common difference is minus 5. And n number of terms n is equal to 23. Number of terms n is equals to 23. So find the sum of number of terms of an AP. So the number of terms on AP Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for sum of n terms of an AP. Here find 23 terms. So last term is 23. So Sn means the sum of number of terms. Here 23 terms are there. So in the place of n we can written as 23. So S23 is equal to 23 by 2. 2 into a is 16. A value is 16 plus n is 23 minus 1 into d is common difference. So minus 5. So 23 by 2. So 16 to the 32 plus 22 into minus 5. 23 minus 1, we get 22. So that is equal to 23 by 2, 32. So 22 into minus 5. So 22 into minus 5. So minus 110. Minus 110. 23 by 2. So here plus 32 and minus 110. So subtracting 32 in from the 110. So we get so 78 minus 78. So here cancellation, 2 3s are 6, remaining is 1, 18, 2 9s are 18. So 23 into minus 39. So multiply 23 into minus 39. So minus 879. Minus 879 is the sum of n terms of an AP. So the sum of 23 terms of an AP is equal to minus 879.